let's see here. Alright, Cadillac STS, getting this bushing out, gotta fudge it up, get it out, and press it in there. You don't have to take the whole diff out, as you can see. You don't have to, you can just YouTube it, the whole process, but straightforward, obviously. See? Take both, loosen the bolts, disconnect drive shaft. And for the flex discs, come in a replacement. But actually the part numbers are the same. The Dorman one is the same as the one I took out from Cadillac. The original one. Got it from Fancy Auto Parts. They do sell it. Of course I bought mine from Amazon for like 50 bucks. Instead of paying 80 bucks. And we both have stamp made in Germany, so direct replica. Look. And the both holes do line up.